Hi guys, welcome back to my lovely channel. I just want to start off by saying Happy New Year. It is 2022. I just want to say whatever it is you're manifesting in 2022, I hope it comes true and I hope it all goes well for you. And I know I've been MIA, you guys, but my kids have been sick. Like the holidays was like what for the past 2 months, I feel like. But yeah, I just had to take a little break away. But I'm always like active on my social media. So if you're not following me, follow me on Instagram. It is at @MakeupLoveDivina. I will link it down below so you can just click on it and follow me. I'm always on there like active. So I also do like giveaways and stuff on there as well. But talking about a giveaway, you guys, I see that I'm super close to 3,000 subscribers. Yay! I really appreciate you guys. I am so excited that I'm almost at 3,000 subscribers. So my 3K giveaway, I did ask people like if they wanted me to do like another YSL card holder giveaway. Majority of people on my Instagram and actually on here said yes, so I will be doing a YSL card holder giveaway as soon as I hit that 3,000 subscribers, which I'm pretty close. So if you're new here and you clicked on it to see this bag that I'm going to show you guys, I hope you stick around and click that subscribe button and support your girl. I really appreciate it. First, I want to say excuse my hair. It looks crazy. Excuse my lashes. This one, I swear, you know, you guys get lash extensions. Do you always have that one eye that always, no matter what, falls out more than the other eye? Like this is mine, for example. My right side of my lashes fall out way more than my left side. So it just looks crazy. I have to get my fill. Again, I love my lash people. Shout out to them if they ever do watch my channel, which I think maybe some of them do. I don't know. But I'm just gonna stop rambling, you guys. Let's get into today's video. All right, you guys, I'm so excited. So y'all, I have gotten a few requests to do this bag right here, and she's on my shelf, so I'm gonna just grab her. It's not gonna be like a regular unboxing because I've had this bag for a while, and like I said, I've used it, so it's not like a real unboxing. Can you guys, that's my little son back there, he's my little helper, so he's so funny. Anyways, you guys, this is the Gucci. Okay, we're gonna have a battle of how to say it. My husband's gonna say I said it wrong, but I call it the Dionysus. I don't know if it's a Dionysus, whatever you want to call it. We're just gonna stick to Dionysus. Gucci Dionysus mini bag. This is the mini version. They have a wallet on chain. They have the super mini. They have the small. I don't know if they have a medium or a large. But anyway, this was the cutest size to me when I seen it. So this is my super mini one, the Dionysus for the super mini. I have this one. I love it so much because of the crystals. Oh, anyways, okay. So you know what I noticed? Another thing I want to just mention really quick. I did not know this. So if you get this in, oh my gosh, in the smaller size, the what is this? The tiger head is this a tiger? I think it's a tiger. Gosh, I need to re-up on my skills of learning what this is, but it's a tiger. These have the crystals on it if you get the size small. The mini, the wallet on chain does not, and the super mini does not have the diamonds. So I really would like to get my next, oh gosh, my next bag purchase. I really like want to like give Gucci another try. I'm not the biggest Gucci fan, honestly, and I'm just being real. I'm a Louis girl. I love Louis Vuitton. I collect Louis Vuitton. It's like, it's just amazing to me. But I just want to get back into like not collecting. I just want to add another piece to my collection. I don't know if I want to add, I love this style, but you know what, you guys, I seen this other bag. It's like a denim. It's denim. This is brown. This thing is actually blue. I think the wallet on chain one is blue. It has like the blue little, I don't know if they're not crystals, obviously, but it's the blue that's on here. Oh my gosh, I will have a picture inserted somewhere so you guys know what I'm talking about. It comes in the super mini, the denim one. It comes in the wallet on chain, like I said. And then I believe it comes in this size and the size small. But if not, I would like to add this bag, but in the size small, so I can have the crystals. Oh, so cute. But I will have a picture inserted of the denim one. I'm looking at the wallet on chain. Price wise, it's like 1,400 bucks, I think, because the prices just keep skyrocketing. I don't know why. You guys are gonna cry when you see how much this was and how much it is now. So it's pretty crazy. Like what I paid for at the Scottsdale Gucci store versus what it is right now at the Scottsdale Gucci store. It's insane. But I really would like to add like that denim one. And I'm not a Gucci fan, like I said, but that one really caught my eye. I just think the denim is like a new, like fun little look that I don't have anything like that in my collection. It comes tied, they tie it for you. And then, I can take it out. Just an empty bag. But this is the box that it comes with, and you just open it like so. It's like a little magnet. This magnet is not that strong though, but it came with the dust bag and also the stuffing. You guys, are you ready? Are you ready to see how much this was? Insanity, okay? Insanity. I don't want to like, I think it should be good. Ah. I don't have to cover anything up, I don't think. $17.50. Right now, believe it's 21. Either it's $21.50 or $21.90. One of them. I will find it and link it for you guys at the top or down below as well. But I have my receipt right here. But here it's the Gucci store. Man, this price has gone like crazy up, and I just honestly cannot deal with how crazy it is. Anyways, I'm not going to get into that. So right here, it is a little clasp you hit, and then you open it up. One thing about this suede is this will leave a mark right here. So just keep that in mind. So this is super spacious. It says Gucci right here, made in Italy. Does it have the thingy on the back? Yeah, it has like the code. There's no way that I could flip this, but the code or whatever that Gucci does is back here. This is a little flap also in the front. You can put receipts. I don't have anything in there. There's no pocket in the back. So the bag, I absolutely love this bag. This is like one of my favorite bags. You can do the, hold on. You can do the crossbody this way, or you can, of course, do the shoulder option, which I absolutely adore. Like, I love this bag, you guys. This is like one of my favorite bags. I really want to add that denim one to my collection. I'll probably start off with like the lower end one. I don't know if I can pay that much for this size, but yeah, the wallet on chain one, I feel like I could do. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what could possibly fit in this, because you might think it's small, even though it's called a mini. It's pretty big to me. I don't know why this is not the small, and then the other one is like the medium or large, however they do it. But, and also girls with nails, like, you have to be careful with this. You don't want to scratch it up and stuff, so that's another thing you got to be mindful of. It is a pretty heavy bag. I just want to throw that out there in case you're like, oh, is it light? No, it's pretty heavy, because this is like a canvas. This is another one that I love, because you can super easily wipe this with like a baby wipe or something, and then just like have it clean. You don't have to be like super careful with it. So this is my current bag I'm using. This is my YSL camera bag. It's pretty heavy. Like, I have a bunch of stuff in there. So of course, I feel like I'm always like using this wallet. But this is my card holder. One of my best investments from Chanel. I swear, this is like the best thing ever. But this has all my cards and stuff in it. So I can put that in there. And then, what else? I can put, I don't have like a big key thing, but I could put this is my car key. So I could put my car key onto this side right here. Like so. I like to organize. Close it, thank you. I like to organize my bag. And then I also have my like house keys, mailbox keys. So I'm gonna put that one to the back right here. Oh, like so. And then I actually have my mini pochette in here that I'm currently using. We can try if it fits in, but I wouldn't put this in here. Like, I don't really have anything super like I need in here. Probably like, you know, like lip gloss, perfume, probably like hair tie and eyelash wands and probably in here. But I can put my this is my Chanel Rouge Cocoa Flash in Dawn, if you guys are wondering. It's a really pretty color, but it's like more of like a lip balm, honestly, than a lipstick. So I can put this for sure in here onto the side right there. And then what else? I have my hand sanitizer. I have a million hand sanitizer in my car. Do I need this? Yes, because if I go and we go sit down to eat somewhere, which is very rare because of COVID, because you know what's going on. I don't want to say that word. Can I put this? Yes. Oh, see, y'all, I'm not playing. You could really fit some stuff in here. And then I have like these wipies. Will it go in here? Bro, I really love this bag more now, actually. It's a lot more. And then like my good old trusty chapstick. It's from Kapari, whatever, and it's the lip glossy one. Can I fit this? Of course. Ma'am, don't fight me, because look at how much you can fit in this. You want to spend like extra money buying like the bigger version? I think it's a waste. Now let's see if it closes. That's the big part. Yep, it'll close. It will close. And it doesn't look crazy stuffed. Is it heavier? Yeah, it's heavier, but it's not like, it's doable heavy. So, but, and then you just hit this little button right here and it just pops right open. But you guys, that's a lot. That's a lot of stuff. I feel like I could fit more things probably on the top. You know, of course, the card holder, another wallet. I guess we can try to see if that mini pochette fits in here, which I already know it's gonna fit. This is so nice of a bag. It's a nice, really nice size. So if you're thinking about getting like the bigger size, I would say don't. Save your coins. Oh my gosh, it's like a struggle trying to take it. Okay, does the mini pochette fit? Like I think Tylenol's in here too. Yes, ma'am. I could put the mini pochette. I could still fit my car key, my wallet. Ooh, I almost dropped my wallet. Okay, here's just like a quick example. It's gonna fit. So basically it fits all your essentials and then some. So I love that about this bag. I really would definitely invest. If y'all are looking into getting this bag, I would say definitely invest in this size. The wallet on chain, like I said, I want to try it in the that denim version. So cute. But other than that, you guys, this is a beautiful bag. I love that you can wear it crossbody, or you could wear it shoulder length and crossbody. Fits really well on me. I'm 5'4" for Western. If you guys want a more in-depth video on this, I don't know why you would, but like, go on my Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I do post this bag on there as well. So yes, if you have any questions or comments, anything, girl, leave them down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Support your girl. I really appreciate it. Yeah, you guys, 3K giveaway. I'm so excited to do that for you guys. That really means a lot to me, and I know it means a lot to you guys as well. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.